Welcome to the .NET FullStack.com automated UI testing using Playwright, SpecFlow, and the page object model pattern. My name is James Kais, and I'll be your host throughout this learning journey. I couldn't be more excited that you're here. As we look to move through this program together, a mixture of live calls and offline content, and hopefully some small teamwork, we're going to be learning by doing. We're attempting to build a way to interact with your learning. And how much time do you want to spend in the classroom taking notes and lecturing on riding a bicycle? Some things are better learned out in the yard with the mess and chaos of getting it done. .NET Full Stack and the programs we're building, we're continually working to figure out the right ways to bring you into the driver's seat of your own learning. There are a series of 8 or so that may change by the time you're enjoying the program. Pieces of content. We have created a series of adventures that you're going to pull a project that's 95% complete. The delivery team has added a couple of features, and we need your help adding tests to cover those features. And as they've been working, there's a few things that have broken that maybe once worked. And we're going to take you step by step through solving for these real world problems in a project and situation very much like what you would find day one at a new career. And so, with that, welcome to the team. The delivery team is putting final touches on their first release, and the software itself will be very easy to get your minds around. It's modeled after a 1990s physical library sort of simulator. Like, what is some of the first technology to come on the scene that made the experience of the visitor and the worker of the library their lives better because the technology was available as previously unavailable? These were hardships. Right? So hopefully the work itself is pretty easy to get our minds around, and it's not um, obscure. There's a lot of these programs you're going to work through where we're recalculating the hypotenuse of the vector of the graph of the distance between two planets. Like, that's not fun to learn in. This will be fun to learn in. All in all, pretty simple application, but don't let your guard down. There are plenty of complicated twists and turns in automating the front end end-to-end UI testing. We've created a bit of a parkour course for the UI testers so that within this application, we can zoom in and look at all of these different moments that are going to come up for you as you're out in the wild doing your own work. Much of the testing is already in place, but we need your help to complete the remaining tasks. This project's ready to ship. We are so close and so grateful that you are here to help us get it over the line. And just for your reference, the project itself is basically made up of these 6 screens. We have an entry screen. You can either head into libraries or you could head into the book searching. You can see that we have 2 libraries and zoom in and see some of the information about those libraries. You could search for books and see information about those books. Ugh. Which brings us to Adventure 1. We are about to pull the project down, get it to run, and work through our first puzzle. All right, let's get going.